The biggest problem of English writing lies in grammar. The learners or the writers may write some ungrammatical sentences that mislead the native speakers to understand what they really want to express. So in this website, especially the grammar handbook section, it provides you lots of useful tips and information to improve your English writing skill. First, the nouns. It gives you some general introduction of this category, like nouns including concrete things, abstract ideas, abstract qualities, feelings, actions, people, animals, and places. And also, the noun and pronoun cases. It's difficult for children to use pronoun to replace nouns when writing, but in this section, there is a chart of pronoun cases. By reading this chart, children can easily understand when they have to use subjective I, objective my, and possessive my and mine. And as to verbs, the most annoying and confusing part of the verb is the tense. But don't worry, here, the author introduced some definition and when to use present tense, past participle, and some common mistakes that the writers may make in this section, and also give you some examples to show you when to use the tense properly. And also in conjunction part. We all know that the function of the conjunction is coordinating. Coordinating the same grammatical functions or equal grammatical functions. For example, we can connecting nouns with the nouns and verbs with verbs. But sometimes we may forget or we will make mistake of connecting nouns and verbs. Here, there's some examples for you to read. And as for the advanced learners, you may write some complex clauses like the adjective, adverb, and noun clauses to express some complex thought. But it's also very confusing for learners to use those clauses properly. But don't worry, here there is a clear explanation of adjective clauses and when you have to use adjective clauses. And also there are examples for you to read. And also the adverb clauses and noun clauses. But this may be too simple for the foreign learners, and also they cannot understand easily and better when only reading this section. But there's other section for ESL learners to read. Here, the ESL resources. There are lots of dictionary like onebook.com, Macmillan Dictionary for them to read. And also some writing tips, like the general tips, common traits, and controlling ideas. And also different genre-specific tips, and also tell you how to get high score in the exam when you writing the essay questions.